friends, it's me Tippy and welcome to another vlog. Today is gonna be a bit different. I'm just going to be in my room all day because I am currently in isolation. So it's my 5th day being in my room. I don't know if you've seen my stories, as in puro kwarto lang talaga lahat. Why? Last August 17, nung nighttime, I shot a video with my friends. Tapos, uminom ako ng Coke, kumain ako ng masasarap na food. Anyway, samid yan, okay? Anyway, nung night na yun, I did feel an onset of a sore throat. So, when I woke up nung August 18, I had some nag-gargle ako ng Orex. Then I said, shucks, parang may sore throat ako. What should I do? And then, sabi ko na lang, sige, to my parents, guys, I have to go upstairs. So, I'm just gonna stay in my room. Kasi nga, I feel like I have a sore throat. Makita yung ulo ko. Medyo elevated yung temperature ko. No fever, but elevated temperature. Like, 37.3, 37.4. At one point, I did reach 37.6. But nothing really, wala talagang fever na tuloy-tuloy. So, because of that, it's been my 5th day here in the room. I'll show you around later. But, I don't feel any symptoms anymore. Siguro it was just the first and the second day. I've been okay since then, but it's just best to isolate first from my parents because of course my dad is a senior. My mom's not a senior yet, pero syempre delikado pa rin. At si Ate Flor, I can taste, I can smell, so I'm pretty sure this is nothing. But this is just us being responsible for each other kasi hindi na natin alam, 'di ba? Mahirap na to take your chances and then regret later on. Another 2 days in the room. Miguel is gonna take me to get a swab test, and then I'm gonna stay here. If it's negative, then I'll be able to go out. But if it's positive, then I'm gonna have to stay here again. Iba-iba ang effect ng sakit na to if ever you get it for different people. So, at the onset of any feeling you may have, that you have symptoms, it doesn't matter. You don't have to prove that it is COVID. But if you feel anything, isolate as quickly as possible para ma-stop nyo na rin yung spread. I think I'm fine. I'd like to be positive about it. I think I'm fine. I think I don't have anything. But if I do, then it's best that I stay in my room first before anything else. We are not using the air conditioners. I've been using just my fan and my air purifier. So that's on 24/7. And yeah, I've been keeping myself busy. Been given food. Okay naman. So there's nothing to complain about. Yeah. So, it's Saturday now. I'm gonna take my swab on Monday, but I'm feeling fine. I'll take you around the room first. This has been my setup for 5 days. This is my study table / dining table. This is my tambakan. Yeah, tambakan area. Ito ang aking mga hugasin kasi dadala na lang ako ng pagkain. And then after that, I wash my plates and then I reuse the plates. Ito ang aking kitchen. And then we just have snacks. Ayan, wheat bread, may tuna. I made a tuna spread. Peanut butter, tiger crackers. Tapos, yan. Meron tayong turmeric tea. Okay to, guys. 2 Saints coffee pag magpa-French press ako. Maxims for 3-in-1. Cornflakes and my Korean noodles. So, super okay naman ako talaga. And on this corner, we have my package heaven. Diyan muna silang lahat after nila mag-disinfect. Ito naman, guys. This is so special to me. Look! Ay, naku! This is from Mama Anne. So, ito yung new brushes nila. Ay, naku! I'm such a big Anne Clutz fan. I'm a fan Clutz! Ay, sorry, mali. So, anyway, we'll unbox that later together since, you know, wala naman tayong pupuntahan. Excuse me. naman yung aking ito yung aking anti-COVID area. Ayan, you can see may vitamins, may face shield, puro alcohol, ang aking mga thermometer, at ang aking vitamins. So, let's get our vitamins for today. And the lucky winner is ang ating Immune Pro and our vitamin C. And drink lots and lots of water. Nakita niyo kanina yung pictures ko. Nakakadalawa ko noon, or 2 to 3 in a day. Kasi lalagay ko dito. Right now, I'm just editing a vlog. Ito yung vlog namin ng friends ko, my law school friends. Si Kennedy, si Jaya, and si Christian. And that's me! So I'm just editing it. We asked for some questions from you guys. And then, of course, we answered it the best way that we can. And hopefully, makatulong kami pala sa mga freshies. I just got my lunch from outside. So, anong lunch natin today? Lunch natin is, bumili ako ng sushi bake from my friend. Wait, I want to show you guys properly. It's 1:16 and all I've done is edit. So this is my lunch. I'll show you, yung inakyat nila. Siyempre, nasa mas magandang lalagyanan to kanina. Yan, that's aburi sushi bake. But, bawal sila mag-akyat ng hindi iniinit. And they didn't want to give me the whole container kasi if I have the whole container naman, paano sila kakain? Inawakan ko na eh. Diba nga? Hindi natin alam. So, I'm just going to put this on a plate para hindi ko naman hawakan lahat. Or pwede na ba ito? I'm gonna decide.
Here, I'll put all the links on my description box below. I'm sure you guys are going to love this because we got Tita's Stopper.
Sarap ng nori niya! Maalat na! I love it! I love maalat! If you want sushi rolls or aburi na sushi bakes, you can get from Keisha Constantino. I'll leave the Instagram name below. This is my friend who I love so dearly, and their products are so good. Walang bias. As in, naharap. Harap talaga.
So got these socks.
Tapos na ako kumain. Now it's time to ligpit. Put this back in the fridge. I have a small fridge, thankfully. Kasha ka ba, sis? Yes. Magwawalis muna ako ng floor kasi baka merong stuff sa floor. Tapos kumain, ayaw natin ng ipis. We don't like that. We don't like that. We don't like that. Da-da-da-da. We don't like that. Walis-walis. No joke, guys. Every day. Siguro mga 3 times a day ako nagwawalis. Okay, balik ka dyan. And now, panahon na para maghugas. Tara, sa kusina. Sa kusina/banyo. Oh my God, please, huwag ka mababasag. You know what? Most likely, wala naman talaga. Most likely, nagkaroon ako ng regular sore throat. Kasi people do get sick, diba? People do get fevers. Kaya lang ngayon, the best thing to do is to just be safe. Kesa sa mag-regret tayo sa future. Hindi lang for my family, but for people outside the house. Mga hindi natin kilala, mga kapitbahay natin. So, time to punas the table. Siguro nagtataka kayo, Ate Tippy, anong oras na? Ba't di ka pa naliligo? Don't judge me, please. Naligo ko hanggang gabi. Promise. Now, it's time to continue editing. Okay, I'm done editing the vlog. Now I'm going to work out. As you can see from my outfit, I'm just going to do a 15-minute dance workout ni MadFit. Yeah, ni MadFit. And then I'm gonna do 10 minutes abs of Chloe thing. I'm just doing very light workouts here because there's not a lot of space and that's just the best excuse that I have. But I have to work out now. I need to make sure that I keep moving and that I'm not sedentary. Okay, let's go. Okay, now that we're done with that, I'm going to set up my yoga mat right here in my space so that I can do my Chloe Ting workouts. Frankie, Ate, miss you. my cousin came over and gave me a birthday gift. Look! Ina-expect ko naman ko to kasi tinanong niya ako kung anong gusto ko. Thank you so much, Ate James and Tim and Baby Ali. That's my inaanak. Ooh, it has a case 5. It's big, ha? It's big, ha? Oh my god. Ulit. I love it. Thank you, Ate JB. Ito na lang gagamitin ko na. Nahihirapan na ako dito sa ginaga. Eh, pero parang laki. Hindi, okay lang yan. Oh my gosh, this is my first legit tripod ever. Ito na yun. Kasi usually I just use my logbooks or books or whatever I see. So this makes me so happy. Ay, ang saya. And then look, if I have food here, I can just show you kay Miguel. Matutuwa yun. Baby, look! Look! Gift nila Ate JB. I'll show you, ha?
Where?
It's a tripod!
Tripod!
Yeah, and then Bob, we can make it taas. Tapos, tiga mo, if I'm gonna cook, kunwari, hindi na ikaw mahirapan na videohan ako kasi tiga mo, Bye! Say hi to the vlog.
Bye! Hi, vloggers.
Ngayon, sobrang laki naman ng tripod ko. But wait, I'll show you something else. Because today is such a good day. I showed you kanina, diba? May, nakuha tayo na PR. I'm not sure if alam nyo, pero super big fan ako ni Mama Anne. Now, let's open the brushes! Okay, so we have to do this quickly because ang init dito. I'm in my walk-in closet. I actually already have yung travel brushes nila. Binili ko to. So, never ko pa to nagamit kasi binili ko lang din siya ng ECQ. Pero dahil sobrang fan nga ako, bumili ako. And sobrang lambot talaga. Hindi ko pa siya nagagamit. Pero paglabas ko sa bahay na to, gagamitin ko na talaga siya. So, here we have it! Sobrang kilig na kilig talaga ako, guys. Hindi nyo makita. Super kilig na kilig ako. On the past birthdays, I've been getting babina balloons for yung mga birthday celebration ng ate ko, ni Miguel. And then si Miguel, he contacted babina balloons para sa birthday ko. Kasi nga, syempre, fan ka eh, diba? Isusupport mo yung family ng idol mo or yung gusto mo. So, kinontak ni Miguel, tapos nakahingi siya ng video greeting from Mama Anne. So, thank you po talaga. Ang cute nito. Okay, so magbubukas na ako. It says my name! That's me! That's me! Okay, let's open. Sige, kayo muna. Nakikita ko naman sa screen. Oh! Ooh, it smells good! Parang amoy spa. Hi, Tippy Dos Santos. Our favorite makeup brush set is back. Say hi to our better than ever Anne Clutz Brushes Ultimate Beginner Brush Set 2.0. Now in a jelly pouch and brush names on pearlized handle. Hope you like and enjoy blending your makeup using our brushes. Thank you! Oh, ito na yung nakita ko sa vlogs. This is from Plant Fairy. Then, of course, we have her famous makeup brush cleaner. Smell it, ha? This is made with all natural ingredients, VCO plus tea tree plus peppermint. I do love tea tree. Okay, wait, kaya to. Oh my gosh, amoy spa. Ito yung amoy spa. Wait, my sister's calling me. Yes? I'm trying to do an unboxing video.
Yeah, but help.
Sige, it has to be, like, it's soup. So, it has to be submerged in marinade.
Ano ba to? Kidney stones?
Ah, sige. Hawakan mo kasi yung meat, sis. Make sure that the meat will get the juices. Okay, tama na muna. Wait. Hawakan mo yung meat. You can wash your hands after. It's okay. Don't put on gloves. It's okay. Oh my gosh, just use your hands. Sige, pwede na yan. Did you put lemon? Okay, put that in the fridge na. You cook that in about an hour. Oh, sige na, Jax. Nag-unbox ako. Nasa video ka. Mag-hi ka. Hi ka, hi. Hi! Yan. That's her pork steak marinade. Okay, sige. Bye!
Bye! Love you!
Love you too. Okay, now we go to the brush set. When I buy things and then they come in pouches, yung meron na silang lalagyanan, yung hindi lang sila nakabox or anything. Because I feel like, of course, you're always gonna need to put it somewhere so that you can store it nicely. And this is perfect. At ang laki ng pouch niya, hindi lang yung brushes yung malalagay mo. Wait, let me go closer. Hindi lang yung brushes yung malalagay mo. There are 10 brushes in this set. the flat angled kabuki. Ay, basang-basa. Oh my God, nakakahiya. Basang-basa yung hair ko. Okay, so let's keep my hair there. So, ayan. And then we have the contour brush for, well, contour. Ayan o, clear yung names. And ang ganda ng handle ng brush. And it looks really classy with the gold and the white and even the color of the bristles. Ganda. And then we have the blush brush, one of my favorite brushes. Ay, this is gonna be nice. Alam niyo naman ako, yung makeup ko, yung alam ko lang na makeup ko from before, nung nagtatrabaho pa ako. This is the powder brush. Always good for your under eyes when you want to set your makeup. Yes, dami alam. This is the big blending brush. This is their small eyeshadow blender. Diba? And you can really see how nicely the brushes are made. Quality, ang ganda. This is the fan brush. So, char lang. And then this is the concealer brush. Personally, I'm not a fan of concealer brushes. I feel like it's better to use my hands. But when I have a makeup artist present, si Julius Marquez, he always uses a concealer brush. He prefers it than using the hand. So, to each his own talaga. Second to the last, the eyeshadow shader brush. So, ito yung shape niya. And last, but definitely not the least, this is our small angled brush. So, ako personally, yung mga small angled brushes ko, I use them for my eyebrows or for when I want to put some definition under my eye. So, a darker color. I do put it on my... Some people don't prefer yung mga ganitong brush kasi medyo malambot for them. But then again, ako kasi ay pinanganak nang wala masyadong kilay. So, peke na yan, guys. Kahit anong remove nyo, it's not gonna be removed. Thank you so much, Strokes by Momoy Supe. So, ayan. Ito ang ating Anne Clutz brushes version 2.0. Oh my God! Ang dami ko ng Anne Clutz brushes. I'm so excited to use them. And hopefully, makalabas na tayo soon para magamit ko na to. I will clean this first tonight with my new makeup brush cleaner by Anne Clutz as well. Thank you po! Thank you so much! Please don't mind my wet side boob. We have new tissue and cocoa sugar. Mama! Mama! Hi! Magulo yung house. Miss you too.
Miss you so much.
Bye-bye. Bye, iiyak na yan. The outside is a little magulo kasi nga we're having some construction done sa iba't ibang parts ng house. So let's continue our our merienda time. It takes time to cook, sis! Uy, masusunog na yung onion mo!
No.
Ah. Okay, it's time to heat up my dinner.
For you and for me.
It's time to get ready for bed. So, basically, that's what I've been doing for the past 5 days. This is the facial wash I'm using right now. This is from Celatec. So this is their Acne Solutions Exfoliating Cleansing Stick. I like it because it has tea tree oil. And that's it for today's vlog. It's basically what I've been doing for the last 5 days. I've just been here in my room. Again, most likely, this is nothing. Kasi safe naman talaga kami. Hindi naman ako naglalabas. I would never want to risk not only my health, but my parents as well. Si Ate Flor, lahat ng mga kasalamuha mo on the street. You have to be careful talaga, not just for your own, but for the people that you may meet. Because you don't know, kung ano yung magiging effect ng COVID-19 sa kanila if possible carrier ka pala. And that's precisely why I'm staying in my room. That's why I'm isolating from my family, from everybody else. Since Tuesday ng gabi, wala na akong nararamdaman. But just to be safe, itutuloy ko yung 7 days na isolation here. I will get tested. And then I will wait to know if I'm positive or negative. Hopefully, it's negative, which I really think it is negative. Hindi natin nakikita yung kalaban natin. So, oo, pwede namang magkasakit ang tao. Normal naman na nagkaka-sore throat, diba? Minsan napaparami ang malamig or ang matamis or napapagod ka, nagkaka-fever ka. Pero now kasi we don't see our enemy. So we have to do what we can in our own ways to make sure that if we do have it, we don't spread it to anybody else. If you spread it to somebody else, hindi mo alam kung anong pwedeng gawin yan sa katawan nila. So you have to not only be careful for yourself, but for your family, your friends, and for the random people that you may see on the street. So I don't know when I'll be able to post a fresh vlog after this. The rest that will be posted before this video will be, videos that I've shot before. So that's it, guys. I'm gonna go to bed, and I hope na kahit na sobrang random na mga ginawa ko for this vlog, I hope that you enjoyed it, and please, 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 please always stay safe and healthy. Love to all of you. Bye! Good morning, guys. It's August 24. I've lost track of the days. Okay, sinundo na ako ng boyfriend ko all the way from Parañaque. He's now in Antipolo and we're on our way. Of course, to be safe, ako lang sa car, so he's just here to convoy me, and then we'll update you guys later. Hi, good morning. Oh my gosh, the pawis is real. Swab tests done. Results in about 2 to 3 days, and then hopefully negative. Negative yan. Negative. Ano ba? 12 p.m. na ba? It's 12:05 and I just got my results and it's negative. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. No matter how sure you are, no, you haven't come into contact with anybody or maingat naman kayo. If you feel anything, isolate, because if it were positive, I would have, spread it to other people. So we just really have to be safe. Basta negative. So I'm so grateful. Makakalabas na ako ng kwarto and I'm gonna be able to spend time with my family. So that's it for this vlog. Ay, just God, I'm so happy. Okay, bye guys.